Hello friends, welcome to Drone Tamizhan, the one-stop point to learn all about drones. I am Bala and I am thrilled to meet you through this channel. Whether you are a beginner, a techie, or someone with basic drone knowledge, looking to take your skills to next level, you come to the right place. Let's start with who am I? I am Bala. I completed my bachelor's in mechanical engineering and my master's in aerospace engineering in Defense Institute, Pune. That's where I began to explore about drones, and soon I realized my passion for drones. As part of my project work, I spent 1 year in ISRO, where I learned how the professional will work. Then I started my career as a senior UAV engineer in GMR group of companies. Afterwards, I co-founded my own company with my colleagues. I have worked more than 6 years in drone industry. Over the year, I have designed, built, flown, even broken countless number of drones. Most importantly, I have learned that anyone can succeed in the field with the right guidance. While exploring the world of drones, I realized something. There are many websites, articles, and YouTube channels about the drones, but the information is often scattered. No one has broken down the concepts in an organized way. For instance, if a YouTube channel explains how to build a drone, they don't explain why they selected the components, how they selected it, and the physics behind them. Beginners don't know where to start and what to focus on. That's where Drone Tamizhan comes in. My mission is to simplify the drones for you. I will guide you how to design, fly, optimize your own drone step by step. How to design the drone, how to bring your ideas into reality, what are the components needed, how to select them, what is the physics behind them. We will talk about batteries, ESC, motors, flight controller, and different types of frames. Now you have designed the drone and components also selected. Then what? Initially, you cannot go for large scale manufacturing. In the beginning, you have to go for prototyping. How to do that? How to assemble the components in that? How to test it? How to fine tune and get the performance from that? Either improving the weight balance, enhance the stability, or increase the flight time. Everything I will teach you step by step. Why you should learn about drones? Drones are not only fun gadgets to fly. It represents the future industry. Just as the IT field grows tremendously, the drone field set to surpass it. You might have seen the drones in the marriages for photography. Some of you would have seen in agriculture field for pesticide spraying. Similarly, food delivery, construction, mining, survey and security, even disaster management, drones are involved. Emerging trends include drone light show, flying cars, AI drones, 4G, 5G drones. The possibilities are endless. Learning about drones isn't just cool skill. It opens up a world of possibilities. So, are you ready to embark on this exciting journey? Subscribe to Drone Tamizhan and click the bell icon to stay updated. Together, you will turn your dream drone into reality.